Hello students, we have already done chapter number 3, that is subtraction of two-digit number. Means we have already know what is a symbol of subtraction, right? And how to solve a word problem, right? Now, activity 1, I have already solved 4 questions and I'll let you do the rest 4 questions. I hope you all have done already. Okay, now read. Let us see activity number 2. What is written? There is word problem. What do you mean by word problem? What do you mean by words? The join of alphabets. Okay, alphabets सारे joined है तो वो है एक word. Problem means to solve the things. Okay, so here directly problem is not given. Okay, you have given a with words. So let us read one. Out of 46 students in a class, 22 are boys. How many girls are there in class? So here it out of 46 student in the class, 46 student है and 22 are boys. So how many girls are there? आपको find करना है how many girls कितने हैं. अगर 46 स्टूडेंट है क्लास में तो कैसे करोगे? फर्स्ट राइट टेंस एंड वंस, देन नंबर 46 माइनस 22. आपको माइनस करना है क्योंकि आपको बोला नहीं है कि कितने हैं. ऑलरेडी ये नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट दिया गया है, आपको उसमें से बॉयज भी दिया है, आपको गर्ल्स की स्ट्रेंथ निकालनी. ओके, सो लेट अस सॉल्व. Okay, here I have written tens and ones, the same problem, 46 and 22. Okay, so let us see. I have told you already, you have to do start from tens, you have start from ones place. Okay, so वंस प्लेस से स्टार्ट करना है तो क्या करेंगे? ऑलवेज डू स्टिक काउंटिंग. व्हाट यू मीन बाय फर्स्ट 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. नाउ -2, तो आपको काउंटिंग नहीं करना, आपको 2 काटना है. 1 2. ओके, लेट्स काउंट 1 2 3 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Right? Then tens place. Right? First solve ones place, then tens place. 4. 1 2 3 4. And next 2. 1 2. So how much left? 1 and 2. Right? Answer will be 24. Right? So here 24. You have to write here 24 also. Okay, so there are 24 girls in the class. Okay, then next 34 birds are sitting on a tree. How many birds are sitting on a tree? 34. And 20 flew away. Flew away means उड़ जाना. Okay, 34 बर्ड है और 20 उड़ गए. तो हाउ मेनी बर्ड्स आर स्टिल सिटिंग ऑन अ ट्री? मीन्स इफ 34 है और 20 उड़ गए तो आपके पास कितने हैं बर्ड्स ट्री में? तो हियर राइट 34 लेस 20. लेट्स सॉल्व. Tens and ones, 34 and 20. So first solve from ones place. 4 means 1 2 3 4 minus 0, मतलब कुछ कट नहीं होगा. तो 4 minus 0 is the number itself, right? 3 minus 2, so 1 2 3 minus 1 2. How many left? 1. So how much left is 14, right? So the answer will be 14, right? Now let us read subtraction properties. What are the properties? Means what are the properties and what are the rules that we can have to subtract a with 0. तो subtracting with 0 means अगर हम 0 से माइनस करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? The number itself means 32 minus 0 is 32, gives 32, not 0. Okay, 95 minus 0 gives 95. The number which we subtract from 0, it's give the number itself. Okay, then subtracting itself means the number and the number itself. Means if 19 minus 19 is, it will give 0, and 28 minus 28 will also give 0. If there will be 7 minus 7, that also gives 0. If you have 90 minus 90, that also give you 0. Then what is next? Subtracting with 1. Okay, subtracting with 1 means 67 minus 1 is 66. The before number means अगर 67 है तो 67 के पहले क्या आता है? 66, right? 92 minus 9 minus 1, that give you 91 means 91. Suppose 7 minus 1 will give you 6 means the before. Okay, the number, right? Suppose 10 minus 1 will give you 9. So 10 before number will be. Then subtracting consecutive numbers means 49 minus 48 is 1 means suppose you have given 49, अगर 49 है और 1 माइनस होगा तो उसके 48 है तो वो 1 आएगा, राइट? 54 माइनस like 35 minus 34 will give you 1, right? Or you can take 22 minus 21 will give you 1, because 3 minus 3 is 0, 2 minus 2 is also 0, right? Now I hope you have understood. So let us solve some activity number 3. Okay, 7 minus 0. What I told you, if the number is minus with 0, you will take the same number itself. So it will give the number itself. Second one, dash minus 1 is 45. What you will subtract that give you 45? That means you have to take the number before or after. Means 46 minus 1 is 45, right? Number 3, 43 minus dash is 42. 43 minus 1 will give you 42. Then 99 minus dash is 99. 99 minus 99 is 0, right? So 38 minus 38 will give you 0, and 74 minus 73 will give you 1. 77 minus 0 will give you 77, and 85 minus dash give you 1 means, so 85 minus 84 give you 1. Okay, so I hope you understand the subtraction property. Okay, we will continue in our next class. Thank you.